The first cruise ship has arrived in Port Royal. Port Royal has now opened up to the world. This is a treasure, and it was a hidden treasure. Jamaica knew about it, but the world did not.
From that section there, going back to the Grand Port Royal Hotel that I showed you earlier, some 30 feet deep beneath the Caribbean Sea.
To see Port Royal as a cruise destination becoming a reality today, for me, is a great achievement. You know, Port Royal is a heritage site. It has a rich history. It has the history of pirates. It has the history of the West India Regiment. It has been nominated as a heritage site through UNESCO. What we did was to train artisans. So we conducted workshops in craft, in jewelry, in chasing, and a number of other, batik and a number of other such art forms. We have provided the skills that are necessary for the residents of Port Royal to maximize the benefits coming out of the cruise line coming to Port Royal.
We love it. We love the people here.
I'm loving it, yes. We've not even stepped out of this bit of it and we've had a lovely time. The singing and the dancing was just brilliant, so high energy and just made us all feel really happy.
The first call. So we've made history, guys. We've made history. Amazing. What a lovely welcome.
There were tours outside of Port Royal, and those tours went very, very well. It has gone well. And so when we get to the official opening of the cruise line operation coming to Port Royal, it will be a very exciting and fantastic attraction.